Tarot and cosmic planetary predictions for Libra 2026. So firstly, we have the Justice card. So in 2026, you are going to restore balance, truth and fairness in your life. Over the past few years, you must have felt drained out or even pulled in different directions, and you're doing too many things but not stranded anywhere with stability. So this year, there's going to be stability. You're going to focus on smaller targets, and you are not going to be forced to compromise too much, which was a repetition over the last few years. Choose whatever is right for you, and honest decisions are going to help you throughout your path. Maintain clear boundaries and also hold yourself accountable in relationships and career. Career-wise, this year supports any part-time work, legal matters, negotiations, and roles where fairness and judgments are the key. Nextly, we have the Two of Cups. So this means two bodies, one soul card. So it asks for mutual connection, emotional harmony, and equal partnerships. You can also start a business with your partner, take help during any career path. This year, Libra experiences balanced romantic relationships. There's going to be healing of past relationship wounds in and around mid of this year. Strong partnerships based on respect will grow this year. Thirdly, we have the King of Pentacles. So King of Pentacles, this year, you might have a lot of overthinking going on, but it's again asking you to elevate your intuition and go with your gut feeling. This card also represents stability, success, and long-term security. So this year, there can be financial stability that can be increasing, more power, roles, and career growth becomes solid and reliable. You will build something very practical and lasting. This card also supports mutual cooperation among your teamwork and also promotions or leadership roles that can elevate from April 2026. If you're looking for business expansion or stability or long-term investments, that's going to come in from September 2026. Slightly delayed, but it's worth the wait. And success comes when elegance meets discipline. Some of the cosmic alignments affecting Libra in 2026. So we have Jupiter in Leo, which is activating your 11th house. And this will expand your future vision. Your networks will improve. Your social circle will expand. You will come in contact with high-fi people, and support from influential people are indicated. Progress towards long-term dreams and goals on a very fast level is also going to progress in and around 2026. Teamwork and connections play a major role in your success this year. We also have Saturn, the planet of structure and discipline, in Pisces for you, which influences your 6th house. So this brings in a lot of, like I said, the social circle being expanded. Also discipline, they're going to teach you something, some life skills that can help in your daily routines, and you will also be focusing more on your health and work-life balance. We have an eclipse activating Libra's 6th house, again, which is talking about health and routines. And this also calls for rest, healing, and healing as an inner child healing, because there are some traumas, there are some baggages that you're carrying in your subconscious mind, and that is affecting your productivity in work environment. So this year, in and around eclipse time, you will be able to release that for good and move ahead and be futuristic in your approach. Avoid major decisions 3 days before and after the eclipse time. For emotional balance, you can wear a rose quartz or opal substitute. Spend time in peaceful environments, and this will bring you more stability in your thinking pattern, and you will avoid overthinking. You can also chant Om Shukraya Namaha 11 times on Fridays, and this year, most importantly, avoid people pleasing. So for Libras, 2026 is not asking you to please anyone, it is asking you to be fair to yourself first. When balance begins within, every relationship aligns naturally.